like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah,
Having reviewed SoundPEATS in the past, my standard is quite high. Today you're gonna have a look at one of the latest innovations of SoundPEATS, and to see if they are any good. Welcome to the review of SoundPEATS Q. Tiago here, welcome back! Wait, are you new to my channel? Well, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings. If is that something that interests you, please consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up on this video and share it with your friends. With this said, let's start a review of the SoundPEATS Q. SoundPEATS Q is one of this year's innovations from SoundPEATS that promises to be good all round, with great sound and great call quality. Let's check them out to see if they have done that. Just before we start, SoundPEATS have sent these earbuds to me for review, many thanks. But although they have sent it to me, I will provide my honest opinion like always. Starting with the price, these earbuds have a price tag of £20.99. At the time of this recording, please check the link on the video description because the price is always changing. For the US viewers, the price is $33. And again, please check the link on the video description. That will help the channel at no cost for you. The SoundPEATS Q have a very nice clean design. And similar with the other SoundPEATS, the case have a black matte design and feels very high quality. On the lid, you will see the very nice and clean SoundPEATS logo. On the back, you will find the Type-C charging port. And because these earbuds are one of the last ones, the case have Qi wireless charging. Open the lid is a nice and smooth process. The lid will stay open no matter the position of the case, so you can access the earbuds. Inside, a nice and modern layout, with the earbuds lying flat this time. In the middle of the case, a pairing button and the LED that indicates the battery left inside of the case, with three colors: green 50 to 100% battery left, yellow 10 to 50%, and red less than 10%. The SoundPEATS Q have the standard AirPods-like look, with a very nice shine black logo on top and feels so premium in your hands. On the stem you will see the LED that is not too bright. The earbuds in general are very nicely built, with the tip of the earbuds a bit on the large side, but still sits very nicely on my ears and holds quite good if I make fast movements with my head. Talking about battery now, the Q will give you 7 hours of continuous playback time, and the case will boost the battery to a 21 hours of continuous playback time, with the case and the earbuds taken 1.5 hours to fully charge. These earbuds will come with 5.2 Bluetooth connection, AAC and SBC codecs. Moving to the AP rating, I was not able to find any rating, so try to keep them as dry as possible. The Q will come with a super seamless mono and stereo mode, so you can choose which side to listen and put the other side in the case without them to stop playing music. The sound quality is very good for the price. The Q are very enjoyable earbuds, with the range having sufficient presence. So the bass in these earbuds sounds good, not the deepiest, but good. The mids and the highs also good, not being the brightest, but sufficient good. They have a 10mm dynamic driver, giving you a more airy sound signature. Overall, they are a pair of earbuds that you can use on your busy daily life. On the voice quality, they have 4 microphones, so the voice will come very nice and clear in both outside and inside environments. But like always, let's have a look at the core quality of these earbuds. Right guys, so I'm inside of the house recording. I'm in my living room, so it's quite big living room. I'm hoping the sound will be good. So like I said in the review, it's 4 microphones. So hopefully the sound will be clear and you'll be able to hear my voice crispy and clear. And hopefully it's not too much echoey. But this is my living room, so guys, let's go outside and see how is the sound outside. Right, guys, I'm now outside and I'm hoping the sound will be clear as well. Probably it's going to be a bit echoey because I'm here. I'm not moving. It's raining today, so the weather is rubbish. So and cold. So just a quick outside test. And hopefully you guys can hear my voice loud and crispy. And let's go inside. I'm shaking, guys. It's so cold. Bye. The latency on the SoundPEATS Q is very nice and enjoyable, so watching YouTube and Netflix will not be a problem. Gaming, by the other hand, will have a bit of lag, but these earbuds are not made to be a gaming earbuds, so this is not a problem. Moving to the controls, SoundPEATS is one of the best in this field, with the Q being able to control all the media controls and the sound as well. Overall, another great pair of earbuds by SoundPEATS with a great price. I truly recommend them if you are looking for a budget earbuds with a great build quality and a good sound for your everyday use. And this was the review on the SoundPEATS Q. Guys, thanks for watching this video and thanks for watching the other videos. And if you found some value on this video, please smash this video with a thumbs up and why not subscribing as well. That's all for today, stay safe and I'll see you in my next review.